guys, Kelly here, and I have a quiet house with 0 children. It's so weird, oh my gosh. But tonight I'm going to have 2 more children here for a long weekend. I think they'll go home like 9 o'clock on Sunday. So, like 9 o'clock at night on Sunday. So yeah, my house is going to be full. By the way, it's Friday today. How have you all been? Have your kids started back at school yet? And how are you finding it? For me, I don't know, the whole new routine is strange. I like the fact that they're back at school. I managed to get quite a bit of work done yesterday. But it's like getting to the school, we're not allowed on the school premises. When we drop them off, the teacher comes to the gate and collects each child. And then when we go to pick them up, we're allowed on the playground in set year groups. Parents are put in different year groups. Which for me, who's picking up from year 2, year 3 and year 4, they just say stand anywhere, someone will see you. But we have to stay 2 metres apart from every other parent. And the office lady is on a walkie-talkie around the playground saying, send Jamal out, send Dustman out, send Anthony out, and yeah, that's all my kids that I'm picking up. But yeah, it's funny how they're on the walkie-talkie, like, calling up to the classrooms, and then the teacher brings each child that's, you know, she's asked for out. So weird, and they have to walk all the way around the playground to get to you, following the lines, they can't just cut across. And then to get out, you have to walk all the way around the playground. It's bizarre, it really is. I mean, it's good that they're keeping these like steps to make everyone safe, but it's bizarre. It's not like anything we used to before. So, that is it for me on non-crafty news. But on crafty news, I want to let you know that because I'm feeling very nice today, I am having a 50% sale on absolutely everything in my Crafted by Kelly X shop, and I've not put an end date on it because I don't know when I'm going to end it. So it might be tomorrow, I might wake up grumpy and think, nope, that's it, too much. Or, I don't know, I might just keep it going for a bit, who knows. So yeah, 50% off everything site-wide. So come and check that out, the link will be in the description box down below. I have also been listing yarn for sale on eBay. The link for that will be in the description box down below. I am only selling to UK customers. I'm not doing international because I don't get the whole drop-off thing that they're doing. I just don't understand it, so I'm just not going to go there. What else? I do have a finished object. I do. I've not sewn all the ends in yet. So I finished this short t-shirt. So this one is in size extra small. It's got a 32-inch bust. So I'm going to do this in every size. Now this, because I love this yarn, this is going to be made in my size because I'm going to keep the one that's made in my size. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do medium or large for that though. I might do a large because I like to wear my baggy things. So yeah. So this is that. I mean, someone said on the comments that this is done in the linen stitch. Now, I don't really go by names of stitches, so I'll have to just go with you on that one. My stitch dictionary that I've got just numbers the stitches. It doesn't name them. Well, there's like 400, 500 stitches in there, so to name them all. But, yeah, I'll just go with that. Someone said it's a linen stitch. So, yeah, it's just going to be like a short crop t-shirt to wear over a dress. If you was wearing a dress like this, you know, it'll look alright. So I've just got the ends from some of the borders to sew in, and then that's done. So I've made a start on the small size. Now the small size I'm doing in this green, so this is the front, and I'm going to do The edges I'm going to do in grey, I think. I might do. I'm still undecided about the edges on this one, because then I've got 2 balls of the grey and I want to do mustard for the edge on that one, which I might do that one in the medium. I don't know. Don't really know. I'll figure something out. But yeah. So this is the front. I just need to make a start on the back, which I'll do that today. So I'm doing this in all the sizes from extra small to... I can't remember if I decided to do 2XL or 3XL. I can't remember. But yeah, that is that one. I've not worked any more on the shrug. So this yarn is New Fashion double knitting, and this one is, I don't know. I bought it from Abercorn in a ball like this. Now I want to say it's, do you know, I kind of feel like I know the brand and I can't remember the name of it now, but I've seen it before. It's one of the popular UK brands. I don't know. But yeah, it's very, very nice. I've made a top in this before. I've made 2 tops in this before. So yeah, very, very nice. And yeah, DK, what can you say? DK, gotta love it. So yeah, that is everything for me today. I'm going to get the house cleaned up. Usually my big house clean day is a Sunday. But when we're having the 4 boys here, fat chance of that. And I pay my boys £2 each to help me clean the whole house, because with my back I can't do it all myself. So yes, I do pay them to help me, because some of the jobs are very hard. Like, they help me, you know, clean out the bathtub, and my bathroom and toilet room are very, very small, so they'll get on the floor and scrub it, whereas I struggle to get back up after that. So I do make them graft. They do work hard for their money, but I'm not paying 4 children, because I know that if I pay my boys, the other boys will be like, well, I want some money. I'll do this and I'll do that. And no, I'm not paying £8 in one day. No chance. So I'm going to do it all myself today. Well, mostly myself. The jobs that the boys usually do, I'm just going to leave for them. They can do next week. The jobs that I usually do, I'm going to do myself today. It's very, very sunny here today, as you can see. But it's not that warm. I've had the heating on. And I went out just in this, no jacket. Well, I wore this oversized jumper that you've seen me wear a few times, and it is really, really oversized. Like, can you see the edges? Can you see the sides? But it's so cozy and comfortable that I love it. As you know, I like my oversized. Jan's always complaining that I'm wearing things too big for me. It's snuggly and cosy though. And I'm liking my crop things at the minute as well. So yeah, I went out, just this dress and this over. Freezing. I was so cold. Even though it's so bright and sunny outside. So yeah, I've done nothing else on this. I really should do. I've got it in my planner to work on this. But I don't want to. I'm enjoying working on these tops actually. I really like that. What should I say it was? The linen stitch? I really like that stitch. At the minute, that's my jam. That's the thing that I'm working on. So I'm going to start the back, and I want to make a start on the next size up as well. Just to do the chain and start it off. So then when I finish that, I don't have to do the chain again. I usually do that. If I'm making the same size and everything, I want to do the chains on all the sizes. So then I can just pick it up and go. When one's finished, I can pick up the next one and go. Because sometimes it's thinking, oh, but I've got to chain up so many. Then I've got to work that first row into the chains, and yeah. But if you get it all out the way together, it makes it a bit easier. So yeah, I might do that today. Just get all that done out of the way. I'm looking at the yarn on the shelf to see which colours that I'm going to do. Right, I'm going to go. Don't forget to check out the links down below for my 50% off sale in the shop and for my eBay shop with the yarn that I'm selling. So yeah, come check it all out and have a fabulous day. And I better get busy before I have to go pick the kids up from school. Make the most of the piece before my head goes bad. He's guaranteed it will do with 4 boys for a long weekend. Oh yes. And I didn't lose my remote. Bye, happy crafting.